Hello, plant lovers. Welcome back to Succulents Box. This is your complete care guide for the Escananthus radicans, also known as lipstick plant. The lipstick plant loves warmth. It grows best outdoors year-round in USDA zones 10 to 12, where frost is never an issue. In these regions, it's perfect for shaded patios, hanging baskets, or even mounted on trees where its epiphytic nature really shines. Let's kick off with light. Lipstick plants thrive in bright, indirect light. An east-facing window is ideal, as it provides gentle morning sun. A west-facing window can also work, but you may need to filter the light with a sheer curtain to avoid scorching the leaves. Too little light leads to leggy growth, while too much direct sun can burn the foliage. Next up is watering. Water your lipstick plant when the top inch of soil feels dry. Water thoroughly until it drains from the bottom, but never let the plant sit in standing water. This can cause root rot. During the growing season in spring and summer, water every 1 to 2 weeks. In fall and winter, reduce watering, allowing the soil to dry out more between waterings. If your tap water is hard, use filtered or distilled water to prevent mineral buildup. Now let's talk about soil. As an epiphyte, the lipstick plant needs light, airy, and well-draining soil. Use a standard potting mix amended with perlite, orchid bark, and a bit of peat moss. A good mix is 2 parts peat moss, 1 part perlite, and 1 part orchid bark. This mimics the plant's natural environment and keeps the roots well aerated. Temperature and humidity are essential. Lipstick plants prefer 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Keep them away from drafts and sudden temperature changes. They're not frost tolerant and should be protected from temperatures below 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius. Aim for a humidity level of 50% or higher. Increase humidity by misting the leaves, using a pebble tray, or using a humidifier. Fertilize during the growing season, which is spring and summer. Use a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength every 2 to 4 weeks. Do not fertilize in the fall and winter, when the plant grows more slowly. Pruning helps maintain a bushy shape and promotes new growth. Trim back stems by about 1/3. Cutting leggy stems will help the plant become denser. You can also use the cuttings for propagation. While lipstick plants don't mind being slightly root-bound, repot them every 2 to 3 years, or when heavily root-bound. Choose a pot only 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter than the current one. Repot in the spring before the active growing season begins. Propagation is easy with stem cuttings. Take a 4-6-inch stem cutting with a few leaf nodes, root it in water, changing weekly, or in soil with a light mix. Bright, indirect light and slight moisture help roots form fast. Blooms pop from spring to fall in red, pink, or orange. Give bright, indirect light, keep soil slightly moist, and feed with diluted fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks. Trim spent flowers to spark new buds. Watch out for pests like spider mites, aphids, and mealybugs. Treat with insecticidal soap or neem oil if needed. If leaves turn yellow, it could be due to overwatering. Make sure the soil dries out properly between each watering. Leggy growth often means the plant isn't getting enough light. Move it to a brighter spot. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Now you're ready to care for your lipstick plant like a pro. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow Succulents Box for more plant care tips. See you next time, and happy planting!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.